Jon Olsson. Some people are simply born with a desire to live life to the fullest, and no matter what obstacles are thrown their way, they always roll along and hit the ground running. Today, we'll be talking about one of these men, Jon Anders Olsson. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host and let's get right to the point of this video. Jon Olsson, the creator of the same named channel, was among the first to film vlogs about his life and upload them to YouTube. Jon is a Swedish professional freeskier and alpine ski racer. Despite this, he has had a lot of ups and downs in his professional life. Olsson began his career as a ski racer, but quite at the age of 16, he returned to alpine skiing in 2008 thanks to a 50k SEK bet with his contemporary Jens Bigmark. He made his alpine skiing World Cup debut in Val d'Isere in 2010, and this time he had his sight set on the Olympics in 2014. Unfortunately, a stumbling block arose when his knee injury flared up in 2013, which he had sustained while winning the big air competition at the 2008 Winter X Games. After receiving proper treatment, Jon has resumed his adventures on the slopes. He stays busy by competing in freestyle and ski racing, organizing the Jon Olsson Invitational, freestyle rapping his love for snow and his love of cars. He continues to share his adventures through vlogs that capture the events of his daily life and are posted on Jon Olsson, and the 1.54 million subscribers show that people appreciate his effort to share the highs and lows of his life. Fans admire Jon's carefree attitude and Hans, his brother's sense of humor. Hans is not the only member of his family to appear in the vlogs. His wife Jenny and children Leon and Leah also appear. And in this day and age, when one shares an opinion or acts of social media platforms, they open themselves up to any and all comments. In addition, the comment section off. Similarly, Jon received a wide range of reactions to the couple's recently announced divorce, ranging from disappointed to supportive to analytical and speculative about the couple's split. Some comments were also quite sympathetic to how stressful the separation might be, especially if young children were involved. However, when they shared their life as a family even after their separation in a recent vlog, many comments expressed surprise, amusement, or amazement at how things were. However, the majority of viewers applauded the family atmosphere that they had managed to maintain despite the adversity, despite the fact that lifestyle vlogging became a social media trend and then faded away. Jon has maintained his popularity and audience for nearly 2 decades. Although some of us had lost interest in vlog because they felt too glamorized, put together, and monotonous, everyone would agree that watching a group of friends working on a house, cool cars, and boats has an authentic and fun element. Currently, Jon Olsson has 120 videos with a total of 462,366 views. The oldest video on Jon's channel, titled Jon Olsson Video Blog Post 1 Freestyle.ch, was uploaded 15 years ago, while the most popular video is The Super Yacht Life in Ibiza Vlog 250, which currently has 7.1 million views. Based on these figures, we can estimate Jon's monthly YouTube income to be around $19K. If you want to see more on Jon's life, you can visit his channel by clicking the link in the description box. If you enjoy his videos, please subscribe to his channel. And that, my friends, is the end of this video. Give me a like if you have enjoyed what you have seen so far, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.